Hello everyone, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block somebody from viewing your Snapchat story. Well, I have Snapchat open over here and I'm going to record a little video, which I'll then add as my story. Okay, if we look there, you can see that it is my new story. As you can see, this story has yet to be viewed and has 0 views. And if I tap on the 3 horizontal dots right next to my story, and then you can select story settings, now you can see who can view my story, and then you can set it to everyone, friends only, or custom, and if you select custom, this will reveal to you a list of all of your friends, and then you can simply select anyone that you do not want to see that story. As a result, all the snaps you add will be invisible to them. So let's block Buzzy here as an example. Just tap on the little block button at the bottom of the screen and voila, he simply wouldn't be able to see my story. Please leave any further questions in the comments section below, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.